Hello guys, for the first time, as I said, in Mangalore, they have started a new toddy, which is my friend's toddy place, where you'll get a fresh toddy. Morning from 6 o'clock you can get this, and after afternoon, like, and the percentage goes on, and he has a much better knowledge. So he is my PU mate, and we are very family friends. We have become very close, and now he has done with a one restaurant which I wanted to show, which is right behind me. It's called a toddy place. You can just see, right? So, and the thing is, like, here you can find out the ship, and here is a blogger, Abid Vlogs, and with my friend Pratik, and we just explained, and here is the place. Hey guys, the thing is, like, we just ordered a yummy toddy here, and we had a ghee roast, which was very yummy. And here, what we can suggest is, like, the thing is, like, a pleasant weather, and here it is like very peaceful weather, if you can say. And the food and what they are serving is like very reasonable. So always when you're coming to Bangalore, and when you hear about like a toddy, this is the best place I can suggest. And here the thing is, like, you can relax for a longer time. That's it as of now, and I'll be sharing you the place location in the vlog. Meanwhile, we are just enjoying with my friends, and here we have Abhi Vlogs and Pratik. We are like from we're from 7 years, right, friends? Yeah, more than 7 years from the PU. Just have a person who owns this. Okay, the thing is, like, he has a nice concept of this, and the best thing is, like, we have a best ambience over here. And when you're planning for any weekends, and if you're coming to a Mangalore, please visit this, because this will give you a new experience where you can have a pleasant time over here. And if you're feeling like, okay, you are stressful in the weekend or the work, so this is the best place where you can come here, you can relax, and there is no time limit over here. You can spend your lavish time over here. And only the thing is, like, he is my friend, he has started a new business, so we all will support him, we all will make him like a successful, and try to share this as much as you can, so that we'll get an opportunities, and we'll give up space for him also to improve his business and to expand. Okay, and here we have, his name is Abhijit Mendan, and he's from Mangalore. He's over here.
Hello everyone.
Hi Abhijit, can you just tell me something about the plan, and how you thought, like, okay, you need to get this concept in your mind, and we enjoyed it as a friend. Yeah, you can just tell some point.
Like earlier we used to travel almost 22 kilometers to get pure toddy. So I thought, like, in Mangalore there was no other joints who would serve pure. So that is how I got the idea. And then we are the only ones in Mangalore, and even entire Dakshina Kannada, who serve fishtail toddy. Actually, the specialty about toddy is, like, it is known for over a few millenniums, being one of the oldest liquor known to mankind. Along with that, it contains over 9% of alcohol, but it is also smoother than beer.
Okay, guys, what I can say about this point is, like, with him, what I can say is, like, this is a place, like, which is a very organic kind. So, and best place what I love is, like, food. You'll get a toddy, a chilled toddy, and yeah, food you'll get veg, non-veg, and starters. And here the thing is, like, this is a place which is called Kali Park, and see the view over here. Here my session is going on with the friends. So this is called as Kali Park, and see the ambience, guys. You'll get a boating where you can have a ride also. You can just visit this. So this is what it is. And yeah, guys, this is the first time which I'm doing for promoting my friend's vlog, and we all make sure that we'll do something for him, and we'll show him. And whenever you visit, please do visit here, and it is very reasonable. It's nothing that expensive cost and all. Yeah, let's go. Bye bye. Guys, this is the journey to go to the boat. New Kushang. See, be careful with the steps. So this is what the ship it is. We are going into it. This is exactly opposite to my friend's place, Kalipar. Okay, just 10 meters. Here if you go up to the stairs, so finally we are into a cruise where you can have experience over here. And yeah, special thanks to my friend for greeting us, and he's over here. Rome, you can do the party over here, and then this will take for 3 rounds where you can see the real dolphins, which is in Mangalore. So just come here, explore, and you can have a beautiful evening over here, because now it's like almost like a 5 o'clock. It's sharp 5 o'clock. So here usually the boat will start at around 5:30 or 6 o'clock. So once you take a boat, it will go for a round for almost like 12 to 13 kilometers. So where you can see many dolphins, many things over here. And seriously guys, this is very exciting. I'm very excited to be here. All the best. Wow.